Nagka-ilamin ni Marlon sa Beer Corporation sa among gitrabaho sa Cebu. Ayun, first koan gid na mo niya kay siya giuna ni chat. Nakauyon mi sa usa kay magsinabot man ni moto nga makita man ako nga okay siya nga pagkalalaki. Ako siya nasugod. Ugay ni 7 years.
You're my, always you're my, forever you're my reality.
Siyempre, gwapa, ng muluto, pugihan niya. Ang gumaon sa pamilya. Kaya ron, abot na yun ang panahon nga. Kaya nagitayam. I hope nga, na naman tayo bata nga, di mo sabi mong pagtagad na ko sa tong anak. Isa pa man sa lisod o kaharohay, magpabiling yapon ka nga, big on o tigbos nga, pagugugma o ang kaitangton nga, ang kamatayon na ang pagkaputol sa atong gugma. Yam, I love you so much. Mahal lang at kita yan. Love you.
Yam, minyo naman ta, kung ta, di ka mausab. Kung unsa ka sa una, unta, mugi akong kakaroon og ito sa maabot para sa itong anak. Kung natay away, unta ato ra mo istoryahan. O mong gilain sulbad sa away, kundi ang pagstorya. Kung hinaot ko nga, magpadayon ka sa imong pagka mapinanggaon nga amahan o bana para na ako. Salamat. Oh, I love you.
I choose you. He knows it's you I pray for. He knows it's you I pray with. He knows you are my armor, my protector, my relief. He knows you are the music when silence brings me down. He knows you are the perfect fit for the soul behind this gown. And as I walked down the aisle, I couldn't help but smile and cry, 'cause he knows just what I needed in this life. All we know is he knows, and we follow his direction. Even though life is short, we'll share forever salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let it slow it on. Yes, he knows that I'm yours and you are mine. He knows you are my power when I'm feeling weak and sick. He knows you are my harbor when it's just within arm's reach. He knows the season better than we ever know ourselves. He knows that we have differences, but he pulls us back in place. When the roads we take get rough, he knows that we can steer them back, and he's ever there to help us clear.